The Huawei MatePad Edge delivers a true two-in-one experience, fusing the dual modes and dual ecosystems of a tablet and a computer. This product can present itself in three forms. The first is the tablet form, which is the large screen everyone is familiar with. This screen is a 14.2-inch flexible OLED PaperMatte display with a resolution reaching 3.1K. It supports a 120Hz high refresh rate and 1000 nits of brightness. Whether used as a computer screen or a tablet screen, the size is ample and the screen quality is top tier. Looking at the front, we can see a notch-free design with a screen-to-body ratio reaching 94%. Thanks to CMOS suspension packaging technology, the ultra-thin, ultra-narrow 32-megapixel front camera is hidden within the top bezel. This ingenious hardware design deserves praise. The Huawei MatePad Edge features an integrated aluminum alloy kickstand. When needed, you just unfold it from the back. This is the kickstand form, suitable for watching movies on a desktop. Once unfolded, you can see the fans on the back panel, featuring Huawei's innovative heat dissipation architecture, dual diamond aluminum fans. It also includes a micro pump liquid cooling layer and a composite VC heat dissipation module, cooling hardware typically found only in computers. Paired with the symmetrical 6-speaker array and panoramic sound field, saying it's a portable home theater might be an exaggeration, but with the strict certification of the Huawei sound brand, you absolutely get an immersive viewing experience. A 4-finger horizontal swipe switches to computer mode, allowing you to experience a complete computer ecosystem and interaction style. So this is the computer form. Pair it with our floating magnetic keyboard. The Huawei M Pencil Pro stylus can even be stored underneath the keyboard. It can be used in both modes. There's a charging port on the side of the keyboard, which can power the two-in-one device. Alternatively, you can choose the Starleap keyboard, which is lighter, thinner, and more flexible. Compared to traditional two-in-one products, the Huawei MatePad Edge's hardware is more comprehensive and compatible. 3 forms in 2 modes can be matched as you please, and with the unique cooling kickstand design, it solves the performance pain points of traditional two-in-one devices. Of course, this new two-in-one isn't just a hybrid in form, it's a convergence at the system and software ecosystem level based on the HarmonyOS operating system. Next, let's look at the software. In tablet mode, everything operates in the way most familiar for tablets. You can directly open Game for Peace, PUBG Mobile. In our spare time, let's grab a chicken dinner. After all, the Huawei MatePad Edge has powerful performance, making 120Hz combat smooth and comfortable. Large screen tablets are a mainstay for shooter games. For daily study and note-taking, I also habitually open Huawei Notes. If I encounter a problem I can't solve, I can record it directly, then use the lasso tool to circle it gently, select Solve, and realize Circle to Solve with Celia. I also like using the free drawing feature in Notes. Since hand-drawing shapes is rarely neat or standard, now we can use lines to piece together complex shapes, supporting anchor point snapping and relation snapping to easily draw the shapes needed. There's also features like boundless notes, which are characteristic experiences of the tablet. Therefore, paperless learning is inseparable from a stylus, which is the Huawei M Pencil Pro included this time. You can quickly bring up the radial menu in the app interface with a squeeze gesture, eliminating the need to move the pen tip back and forth between the creation area and the panel, which is much more convenient. Additionally, the tablet-exclusive GoPaint app is a brand new version, and tests show it's even better to use. The brush library and color palettes are very rich. So with a 4-finger horizontal swipe, we switch to computer mode. The whole thing becomes a harmonious computer interface. When we place the mouse in the bottom left corner and the app area at the bottom, there is a star ring light effect. The details are very much on the dot, and the wallpaper is also the same integrated style. The gestures are shared with the tablet mode as well. Furthermore, there are already numerous harmonious computer apps in the Huawei app gallery, covering most office scenarios. I actually do a lot of editing, so the computer version of CapCut Pro is a must-have for me. I shot some 4K video footage with my phone and imported it into the CapCut media library. The HarmonyOS 2-in-1 can achieve real-time previews of 4K footage, and it's very smooth with synchronized audio and video. So we do a little editing and export the 4K video. The speed is also quite fast. Paired with a mouse and keyboard, this is an exclusive computer experience, and the performance is excellent. Next is WPS, as well as some large documents. The WPS interface is extremely familiar. You'll know how to use it as soon as you start. Moreover, documents opened in tablet mode can be viewed just the same when switched to computer mode. The data is interoperable. Just choose the different mode according to your needs. Like this 1.6 gigabyte large document on the desktop, it opens very quickly when clicked, basically in about 3 seconds. PC level productivity, of course, isn't limited to just WPS. For professionals in the engineering field, complex DWG files like this can also be opened directly using ZWCAD. I probably don't need to say much about this CAD UI. It's identical to the PC version, and the editing process is quite smooth. Computer mode also supports keyboard and mouse mapping, like QQ Speed on the desktop. Open it, and it automatically adapts to the keyboard. You can start playing using the mouse and keyboard. The HarmonyOS computer AI Celia has a feature I think is very powerful. It can convert images to PPTs. Often, when we make graphics, there are many versions, and it's easy to lose the source file. You can just convert the poster image directly into a PPT and then edit the text. Additionally, the new 2-in-1 can deploy numerous local large AI models, which can be used quickly even offline and downloaded with one click. The overall practicality is very good. Having said all that, how is its battery life? I simulated a daily office scenario with 50% Wi-Fi brightness and 50% volume, opening WeChat, 10 web pages, 2 documents, and 1 PPT. We simulated 1 hour of office work, consuming 13% battery. In the previous rendering of a 2.5-minute 4K video using CapCut, it consumed about 5%. This battery life is sufficient to meet the demands of light office work. In terms of charging, the Huawei MatePad Edge comes standard with a 140-watt charger. Among products of the same form factor, this can be considered a leading standard. So the Huawei MatePad Edge can truly achieve creative entertainment in tablet mode and creative office work in computer mode. Furthermore, data is synchronized between the dual modes. This is also an unprecedented experience of ecosystem integration. It is something almost impossible for previous 2-in-1 products to achieve, and it will reshape the 2-in-1 market landscape. My impression is the tablet mode experience is top tier. The computer mode experience is also top tier. It is a giant screen tablet and, moreover, a high-performance computer. I believe such a 2-in-1 product will lead the 2-in-1 market out of a decade-long mire, and the 4-finger mode switching is really too convenient. You can also switch with 4 fingers on the trackpad, or switch in the status bar, or even switch via computer keyboard shortcuts. The new HarmonyOS 2-in-1 goes from usable to truly great to use. It is a real 2-in-1, breaking the experience gap of traditional 2-in-1s. If you also want to own such a true 2-in-1 that allows mobile office work and can be carried in your bag, then you definitely must try the HarmonyOS 2-in-1 MatePad Edge.